Professor Vinster. I'm going to start making the start of the eyes so I can put the glass in. So I got to push this down so I can start, so I can put the glass eyes in and they won't be popped out in this area. Okay, so everything's in. Let's see if we can get him so there's no glare on the jar so you can see what he looks like inside. Now he's just moving around inside right now, but that gives you an idea of him. Try to get it so there's no glare. Yeah, no glare. There you go. And that's what he looks like. He's got glass eyes, which showed me putting them in. So there he is. Now, if I turn the light on in this angle, I don't know what's going to happen with the camera. Here we go. There. I think that's a little better. But the getting rid of the glare was the thing of the bottle, getting the glare off of it, so getting the right angle. So that shows the angle there and the different colors. Let's try yellow, orange, green. I think the blue is the best. It helps to influence the eyes. So there you go. Very cool.